Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can save only 2 or 3 pages in a Word document. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Just from File, here we have Export, Create PDFs. First, determine the location. For example, I save it on desktop, name it 3 pages. Okay. Options, just pages. For example, I want to save page 3 to page 6 as PDF. Just OK. Publish. Good. You see directly page 3. Name it as 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That is the way to extract only several pages in a Word document as a PDF. That's all. Have a nice time.